The 2026 Ford Gran Torino is a bold reimagining of an iconic American muscle car, now presented with a futuristic twist that blends heritage with innovation. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the yellow paintwork grabs attention, accentuating its muscular stance and aerodynamic silhouette. The front fascia features a wide, aggressive grille flanked by slim LED headlights, giving it a sharp and commanding presence on the road. Ford has clearly paid close attention to detail, as the hood sculpting and side creases add to its performance-oriented design. Inside, the cabin takes a leap into the future while maintaining some retro elements. A large digital instrument cluster and a vertically stacked infotainment system dominate the dashboard, both running Ford's latest sync interface with seamless smartphone integration. Premium materials line the interior, with contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and sports-style seating creating a refined yet athletic vibe. The space is surprisingly generous for a coupe, offering reasonable rear seat comfort and a practical boot for everyday use. Under the hood, the 2026 Gran Torino offers a hybrid V6 powertrain tuned for both performance and efficiency, delivering instant torque and impressive acceleration. For enthusiasts, there's also a rumored all-electric GT variant in development, which could push this model further into the EV spotlight. The handling is sharp thanks to a well-balanced chassis and adaptive suspension, making it feel planted in corners while remaining composed on rougher roads. It strikes a sweet balance between daily drivability and weekend thrill. In terms of features, Ford has loaded the Gran Torino with ADAS technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and 360-degree cameras. The safety rating is expected to be top tier, matching its premium aspirations. What makes the 2026 Gran Torino truly stand out, however, is how successfully it blends nostalgic design with futuristic performance and technology. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or someone looking for a unique modern muscle coupe, the new Gran Torino is a compelling and stylish option that signals Ford's commitment to both its past and future.